Have you ever wondered how so many of these YouTubers can post these videos daily, and like they put 2 or 3 videos out and seem like they're comfortable in front of the camera? And then some people, like in my comment section, they say, oh, they've been trying to start their channel for like a year, 2 years, and every time they get ready to do a video, it's like they can't remember what they want to talk about, or they're afraid of how they might look. I just want you to think about that. Have it ever happened to you? Because for me, it took me years to get on YouTube, and years just to get in front of the camera. And that's what we want to talk about. Crushing the fear of the camera. Crushing the fear of the camera. Because you want to get on YouTube, you got to have guts to get in front of the camera. Because you don't see who you're talking to, but you're talking to those that's assigned to you. That's what we're going to get into now. Like I said, so many people in my comment section is asking the question, how can they shoot these videos without being afraid? How can they shoot these videos with ease like they see me shoot these videos 2 and 3 times a day? But to be real, I had to get comfortable being uncomfortable. I'm going to say it again. I had to get comfortable being uncomfortable. Because if you know my story, I started a channel in 2012. And it was hard, but yet it was easy. I started the channel. I had the camera. I had a $1,000 camera. I had the little lapel microphone. And I started shooting and shooting. I didn't know what I was doing, but I shot and got in front of the camera. Just because nobody was watching my videos, I stopped. I got frustrated. Then the haters came in and I got frustrated. And that stopped me from going in front of the camera. Somebody made some sly comments and I got afraid. I'm not afraid, but I don't get afraid. But I got angry. I was like, this ain't worth it. Then I started another channel, like 2022. Came back, got on, some videos, and it's getting more comfortable. And I stopped. But then I realized there are people waiting for me to share my voice. There's people waiting for me to hear what I have to say. So that's number one that you have to understand. And like I said, this is a conversation. I'm not going to tell you this is 1, 2, and 3. This is a conversation. So I want you to pay attention. One way you can crush your fear of the camera, because you want to make these YouTube videos, one way to crush your fear of the camera is to realize you have assigned people waiting to hear your voice. You have assigned people waiting to hear your voice. Because there's people out there searching for answers. And the gift that you have, which is the things you went through and came out of, the things you accomplished, that's your gift. And people are searching on Google, searching on YouTube, how to come out of debt, how to come out of bankruptcy, how to bake a cake, whatever it is, whatever your gift is, they're searching for you. And once they hear your voice, they're going to say, wow, that's the answer. Do they have any more answers that I'm searching for? That's why you can crush the fear of the camera, knowing that there's people waiting for you. And they just have to see and hear you and feel you when you get in front of the camera. Because when you get in front of the camera, you're not speaking to the camera, you're speaking to those people. So that's how you crush the fear of getting in front of the camera. Knowing that you have people waiting to hear you and to see you and to feel you. You got those assigned people waiting. The second thing to help you crush the fear of the camera, the second thing to help you crush the fear of the camera is to know that everybody starts from zero. Everybody starts from zero. Because like I told you before, I started a channel in 2012. I got over the fear of the camera, but I didn't get over the fear of nobody watching my videos. And let me explain. When you shoot these videos and you feel like you're just talking to the camera, you're going to do your best. You're going to be like, oh, this is the best video I've done. I got the right topics. I know what I'm talking about, and I'm putting my feelings into it. And nobody watching my videos. I didn't get no views. I literally didn't get no views. But that doesn't mean nobody is watching. That doesn't mean those people that's assigned to you is watching. That just means they have not discovered you yet. That's why discovered. They didn't discover you yet. So knowing that there are people waiting for you, and knowing that they haven't discovered you, that can help you conquer or crush the fear of the camera. Because let's be real, you get in front of the camera, you start talking, and you giving all your information, your revelation, and then you look at the videos, you're like, nobody watching, please. I was scared in front of the camera. Now I know I'm scared because I must be doing so bad nobody watching the videos. Come on, let's type in the comment section if you ever had that experience. You put the video up, you only get no views or 2 or 3 views, and then the mind start racing. Man, what? I must have did something wrong. I must have didn't look right over. Whatever the case is, or maybe the haters that came in, left those clever comments, they're right. So I'm not getting in front of the camera. No. It just means that those that's assigned to you have not discovered you yet. But once they discover you, you can crush the fear of the camera. Because once they discover you, you're gonna be like, oh man, I'm getting those great comments. Oh man, yo, they feeling what I'm saying. Oh man, look at that. I'm gonna keep on talking. So another thing that can help you crush the fear of the camera, so you can make your YouTube videos. Another thing that help you crush it, knowing that you have what it takes. You have what it takes. How can I say you have what it takes and I don't know you? There's one thing that I know. I might not know you, but there's one thing that I know. You have an experience, number one. You have an experience, you have people that's assigned to you, that's number 2. The people that's assigned to you will gravitate towards your experience because your experience is your perception of that experience. Nobody else has that. Since nobody else has that, you can have those people listen to you as long as you are not afraid of the camera. As long as you're not afraid of the camera. And once you do that, you can crush the fear of getting in front of the camera because you can turn the camera on and be like, in your mind, knowing that you have people waiting to hear your voice. You have people waiting to hear your experience. You got people waiting to hear what you have to say. Just because you got 2 views don't mean you didn't get no views. That means 2 more people that didn't hear you before you put the video up is listening to you. You got at least 2 people listening to you. That's 2 more people you had before you put the video up. And then eventually, when they start watching your videos, more people will come and watch your videos, and that'll help you crush that fear. Yeah, we all, I wouldn't say fear, but we all got some apprehension getting in front of the camera. Let me slow down. We have apprehension getting in front of the camera because so many times we let our mind run wild with these thoughts, what other people are thinking, what other people are saying. Don't worry about what they're saying. Don't worry about what they're thinking. Because those that's assigned to you, they're going to applaud you. Trust me on this. They're going to applaud you and say thank you for sharing that message. Thank you for the encouragement. Thank you for just being who you are. And that's why you can crush the fear of the camera. Because you know you have to get that gift out of you. You know you have to share that gift. Not only you have to share the gift, you have to release the gift. So if this video has been a blessing to you, leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know where you at on your journey, your YouTube journey. Because if you still are fearful or afraid to get in front of the camera, join the community, my T.I.M.E community. Because I have a waiting list for the community, the YouTube community. I'm not saying YouTube. The my T.I.M.E community waiting list, and it's going to be special trainings, teachings in there. But I can't do it on YouTube because if I do it on YouTube, too many people watching, and it's not the format to do it in. And there's some things I want to do with the videos and everything so it can be better, because YouTube is not the place to do that. So join the community. Go in the description. Join the My T.I.M.E community, and you'll get access to the trainings, the teachings, and everything. Because I want to help you. I want to help you. I want to help you. Because this is my life. This is my experience. This is my time.